In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zendrop subscription from Shopify step by step. This process is straightforward and will only take a few moments of your time. Let's dive into it. First, let's direct our attention to the Shopify dashboard. On the main interface, you'll want to look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the Settings button. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings area is your gateway to managing various aspects of your Shopify account, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with its layout for future needs. Once you've entered the Settings section, look for the tab labeled Plan. Selecting Plan will allow you to check and manage the details related to your current account subscription. It's essential to explore this section if you need to alter your plan or review the features you're currently subscribed to. After you've selected Plan, the next step is to locate the View All Subscriptions option. Clicking on this will bring up a list, showcasing all the third-party apps you've subscribed to through the Shopify App Store. This is where you have complete visibility of your active app subscriptions, making it easier to manage your apps and ensure you are only subscribed to those that serve your business needs effectively. As you browse through your list of subscriptions, you will find Zendrop listed among your active third-party apps. Now is the time to focus on Zendrop. Look for the option to cancel your subscription, typically found beside the app name. Clicking on the Cancel option will initiate the process of unsubscribing from Zendrop. And there you have it. The step-by-step process to cancel your Zendrop subscription from Shopify has been completed. By following these straightforward actions, you've successfully managed your app subscriptions and ensured your Shopify experience is tailored to your needs. Remember, managing your subscriptions ensures that your business remains both cost-effective and efficient, as you're not paying for services you no longer use or need. If you have more apps you're considering removing or want to adjust your plan details, feel free to use these methods again. It's part of maintaining a well-functioning online store and ensuring you have the optimal setup for success. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If there are other topics you'd like us to cover in the future, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. Until next time, take care and enjoy managing your Shopify store more efficiently.